Friday to all of my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you're new here to Rocky Mountain Gardens, my name is Mary and we do everything pertaining to home and garden here at my channel. And today I am going to give you 2 easy ways to save some of your outdoor garden plants over the winter. They're not difficult, we can all do them, and I hope you'll join me, and I hope it's informative for you, especially if you're new to gardening. Now let's go and see these 2 methods. I'm using my gathering basket to go around the garden and collect some of my favorite coleus plants. Now coleus, as you know, comes in many different colors, and I love to collect quite a few for each summer because I have so much shade in my backyard, and of course they do quite well in the shade. So this year I am taking cuttings from my favorites and going ahead and placing them in my basket as I walk around my garden, searching out the best specimens and the most healthy ones that I can take these cuttings from. Now, to prepare for water propagation, what I'm doing is removing the lower leaves from this stem, and here you can see the little nodules that are showing there, or nodes, the leaf nodes, and they are where the roots will grow out. So you always want to have some leaf nodes on your stem in order to enable the cutting to go ahead and grow roots where the leaves were that you pulled off, as you can see I'm doing here on this second type of coleus. Coleus grow well indoors as houseplants, and so adding as many cuttings here as I can with different colors will give me lots to work with in the springtime when it comes time to plant my garden. I just love the way coleus is so colorful. This window above my kitchen sink is perfect for developing roots on my cuttings, and it is a south-facing window, which means that it will get enough sun to really encourage that root growth. And then of course, when the roots are ready, I will go ahead and plant them in a good quality potting soil and keep them over the winter, of course, to be used in my garden next summer. Here you can see a foxtail fern that I planted in this hanging planter. And despite infrequent waterings, it is doing quite well. So to save its life over the harsh winters that we have here in Colorado, I'm going to dig it up, plant it in another pot, and keep it indoors until next springtime. Let's get started on that. I'll be using this pot, and I am going to start by adding some soil to the bottom. Now to this soil, I'm going to do some watering because my foxtail fern has really dried out. Here's my fern that we're going to dig out of this pot. It has, you can see these sort of tuberous roots, and the soil is quite dry. You can see I can just knock it off like this. So let's plant it in the pot. When I said earlier to use a high quality potting soil, especially for your indoor plants where you don't want any contamination of eggs from any pests like fungus gnats, I use this Fertilome Ultimate Potting Mix, which is a sterilized soil and guarantees that your soil will be free from those pests. And we'll give it a good watering. And to help my newly planted fern get settled, I'm going to give it a good misting. Foxtail ferns do like some humidity. Now, won't this look pretty indoors, especially after the Christmas season when all of my Christmas decorations come down, and I like to feature my potted indoor plants for decor, brings nature inside, you know, and I just love this look. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. And guys, I hope this little video has been helpful and encourages you to save some of your plants that would otherwise die during the winter outdoors. So until the next time, blessings to everyone and wishing you a wonderful, wonderful weekend. This is Mary saying bye for now.